Hi everyone. So in this video, we're gonna see like how to learn English at home. So many people are learning the English, but they don't know how to start simple to speak the English. So yeah, in this video, I will teach you how to start simple English at home. It is a simple every day you put some of the effort, so that is enough, right? So I give some tips and some workout for English. So please, so try this. After that, yeah, you can easily speak, guys. So first of all, you should the listening first of all, because of the active listening important. First of all, the what they are saying in your opposite person, how they are they the conversation with you, the the way of the conversation, it is important. So first of all, you should the active listening important. So the practice means like how to active listening. You go to some of the YouTube channel, watch must for the what they are said. Like you should understanding first of all. So initially it is a take time, guys. Like how to say, if you some of the video watch, you should understand, but same time you shouldn't understand. So please try to the watch the video. If you don't know, if you can't understand, so please repeat the video, watch it. After that, some of the understanding, you should the video that is makes it to you guys. So after that, if you improve your active listening, after that you can like some of the people or some of the event there are speak with you, or some of the public speakers they can speak, yeah, you can understand. So that is important for the active listening. So the second one is you should the readings. Why I'm said reading means, if you reading the some of the book, that is makes helpful, guys. Because of if you new words, something, if you reading that time you only understanding that word. After that you know the pronunciation, how to given the pronunciation, it is the must, guys. So yeah, you should the practice every day, like how to say it, like the some of the event I attended, guys, like is some of the speaker they can speak English fluently. I can't understand initially, but after that I how to say, I must the watching and must I listening for the English. So after that I will understanding for that. So these are the important, guys. Some of the people they will let me know, like yeah, you did understand English. Yeah, you should the practice needed. But I'm not the putting same effort for the everyday. Put on the effort for the learning English. So like I'm also a beginner, guys. I'm not fluent at English. I'm also the practicing every day how to learn the English, how to the understanding first of all. So I'm also act listening. So we are together learning the English. So please support me and also the follow my channel. That is makes the motivation for me, because of I'm also beginner, but I don't know what is the made a mistake for while I am speaking. So if you know anything for like my mistakes, so please let me know in the comment section. I will do the corrected. So after that, you should the practicing, like you how to say, if you are living at home, yeah, you can try to like the mirror practice. Yeah, go on to talk to with yourself in the mirror. That is a makes helpful, guys. So if you shy, yeah, it's okay, guys. Initially it is the struggling for the every time. So I'm also taking the record for video. Initially I am shy, I am not how to take the video. After that I decided I like turn the effect, like this is the not video for, this is the my documentary. How I am learning the English, how I am day by day improve my communication skills. So that is the matter. So I take the video every day to put out the video on the YouTube for the documentary for the reason. So yeah, guys. So in this video, we're gonna see like yeah. First of all, you should the act listening. Second one, it is the reading practice. Yeah, third one, it is the practice like speaking practice. So these are the important guys. So if you like this video, so please support my channel and follow my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. That is the instant video I upload. Yeah, you can get. So that's also. So yeah, we're gonna see next week.